Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we add alternating picture block layout in Microsoft Excel. So to apply it, you have to select the picture and then you have to click on this Format tab followed by Picture Layout. After clicking on this picture layout, the bunch of layouts will be shown where you have to select the last option in the third row. After clicking on it, that effect will be added on your actual picture. Now you can enter the text by clicking on this text written, or you can click on this small arrow where this box pops out and you can enter the text here like I'm writing here, and just after writing text you can press enter to add more pictures. The more you press enter, the more pictures you can add. Similarly, you can press backspace to delete the picture including the text. I will close this. Now you can edit this text by selecting it and using this font group in the home button to edit the text. Similarly, you can add the colors, the background colors, and all the things related to this font. Also, you can edit this picture by selecting it and using this picture tools format. You can add the border or you can add the effect. So this was guys alternating picture block layout. Hope you like this video. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.